Hi there, this video is to show you how to use our wire suspension kits. These can be used in conjunction with our Fergus lamp holders just to add a little bit of extra strength to the pendant, especially if you've got a heavier shade hanging from the bottom. So you need the wire suspension kit, which comes with a little ring on the end and the stopper on the other end, and you'll also get a sealing rose with the wire port there. So that's the wire suspension kit, and then the Fergus threaded lamp holder consists of your threaded lamp holder obviously, which has a cord attached, and your two Fergus rings. So the first thing we need to do is to take this cord grip off and replace it with a little ring there. So you need a couple of tools, a little flathead screwdriver here to just loosen off the scrub screw. So that's relieving the pressure on the textile cord that's inside, and then you can either hand screw it, or if it's a little bit tighter you might just need to get a pair of pliers in there, just loosen it off a little bit, and then you can unscrew that off the top of the lamp holder. I'm going to remove that all the way off. And then a little ring. It gets threaded on. And that all the way down. And then, with the thread sticking out the top of the lamp holder, that should just screw nicely onto the top there. So now your threaded lamp holder is ready to go with the wire suspension. At this point you'd probably assemble the lamp holder. You've got your Fergus ring. Wind that on. With the Fergus rings you get two different size rings, and it doesn't matter which one you use at the top or the bottom, depending on the pendant, what you prefer the look of. Wind it up as far as you can above the threaded lamp holder so it's covering as much of the ring as possible, but you still want it to obviously safely bite onto the lamp holder there. That's ready to go. You can pop your shade on and then use the second ring underneath there to tighten it up. And then at the other end, the electrical cable will go up into the normal cord grip there, and the wire suspension cable, just take the little safety stopper off. Loosen that up. The wire goes up inside the gripper there. So as it goes in, it will catch it and hold it tight. If you have gone a little bit too far, you can push the gripper in and slide the cable back out, and it will come back out, but once it goes up it holds nice and tight there. Now the little safety stopper on the end is just an extra added layer of protection there, just to make sure it's definitely not going to slip through. So you can use all that to assemble your pendant and just have that extra weight holding it for you.